and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. We'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2. We'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3. Learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Do you know what the hottest opportunity in 2024 is for the average person? You know, the average person looking to quit their job and go full-time online or just pocket a passive 50, 100, even 500 bucks a day on the side? If not, I'll tell you. It's faceless YouTube channels. That's right. You don't need to be on camera at all. And now with the power of our new AI engine, you don't even need to make videos or do anything else that's usually required with building YouTube channels. In fact, our new AI-powered engine creates as many set and forget YouTube channels as we want. That pulls in around 500 bucks a day for us on complete autopilot. That can be checked in on from your smartphone. How many of these little money-making, set and forget, $529 a day channels would you like to own? Introducing Jett. Here's how easy this is. Click 1, grab a copy. Click on any of the links on this page to get instant access to Jett. Click 2, Setup. Start your set and forget AI-powered, faceless YouTube channel in any niche in 30 seconds by entering in some basic details. Click 3, Activate. We enjoy free traffic, leads, and $529 per day thanks to the AI engine that fully runs our faceless YouTube channels without us lifting a finger. There's no technical setup, no video recording, no investment needed, no speaking, no reading, no waiting for results, and no waiting to get paid. This is literally the best way we've seen to get results online. So how much is this going to cost? Well, how much is getting results online worth to you? I'm guessing $67 a month to make things a reality would be a bargain, right? But of course, you aren't going to pay $67 a month. You aren't even going to pay $47 a month. No, not even $37 a month. In fact, you're not going to pay monthly at all. When you act right now during the special launch period, you can get in for a tiny one-time investment. But that's not all because we believe in delighting our customers. So when you act right now, you'll also get our brand new bonus bundle absolutely free. You can see all the details below. These bonuses have never been offered before and are not available anywhere else for anybody to buy. But you get them absolutely free. And to make this a no-brainer for you, we're totally removing all the risk for you with our 365-day money-back guarantee. And to totally blow your socks off, when you act now, you also get our Get Results or Get Paid $250 money-back guarantee. If for some reason you don't get results with Jett, just let us know what you tried, and not only will we send you your money back, but we'll also send you $250. It's literally a win-win situation for you. But hurry, act fast because the price really goes up every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more. So if you want to absolutely crush 2024 and start it on the right foot, then all you need to do is click the button below to lock in your spot. Remember, Jett lets you create set and forget faceless YouTube channels that in our testing make an average of $529 a day for us. If you want to join in on the fun, then you know what you need to do. So hurry, click the Get Started button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you on the inside.